So this is our Jupyter notebook, okay? So you see, if you see here, this Jupyter notebook has three different kind of cells. Three means there are four, you can see here. Quote cell, markdown cell, row cell, and heading cell. One special functionality of markdown is you can write actually HTML code out there, like this. This is the biggest size, okay? You can have heading or heading 2, heading 3, like that you can have big heading, okay? Command cell is for Python. Markdown cell is for everything. There are a lot of things guys you can explore, but I have explored only few. But I want to show you this one. This is HTML code, okay? HTML code you can have. So this is how the Jupyter notebooks work, okay? So very simple, very easy to use it.